posted this video about 6 days ago, and this is the question I keep on getting. I want to answer a question on this video. Okay, so many people have been reaching out to me. Faith, I don't know how I can perform my crown seat tax. I don't know which one is crown seat. I don't know which one is crown seat. I decided to make this particular video. Okay, if you are confused about crown seat tax on this app, this video is for you, because this video is going to answer your question right now. Okay, so disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by this app. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience, and you are free to do your own research before investing your money or investing your time in this application. All I do share here is what I do. Okay, so make sure you do your own research very well before investing your time or investing your money in this app. Okay, so now let me just start from here. Maybe you don't know how to perform your tax, which I have already did on my first video about this app. Okay, so now this is what you are going to be doing for you to perform your tax. You need to open your room, sit on your room. If you don't like to sit on your room, you can actually go to other room and perform. But for me, I actually don't stress myself going to people's room. I always stay on my room to do my task, unless if I want to perform my 3K point, that is the crown seat on. Okay, if you notice that this place is actually 24, the seat is 24, but we are not going to be identify which one is crown seat and which one is not crown, because people are not here. Okay, so right now you are going to see that this is the interface of the app. You can see many people on live. Okay, and if you want to perform your tax, okay, now you need to come over here and then look for a room that you want to perform your tax. Okay, I'm looking for a room that I can actually go in now and perform my tax. Okay, let me just know if I can search for a good room that I can now enter. Now let me just click on this room, and they're telling me that I'm still on my distance, so I have to leave my room and enter here. Okay, so right now let me just enter here. Okay, if I enter this room is actually 9. Okay, there are 9 in seat. As you can see, you see this front one. You see this one, like there is something like crowned. You see crowned like this is the one that is crown seat. Okay, so if you don't see anyone that this crowned is on it, is not crown seat. Okay, it's not all the seat that you will sit there for you to receive your tax. You might sit on seat that is not crown seat, and you will sit there tire. Nothing is going to count unless you found this seat. You see crown seat. You see here crown seat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 here. Okay. Now let me just look for another room that I will enter so that it will be clear for you. I'm looking for a room that some people are not much on the seat, so that I will show you exactly what this thing look like, because if someone sits here you might get confused. Okay, so now let me just click here and show you something that's very important that you need to do. Okay, if I click here, you will notice that I am not in a crown seat. You see there is no crown on my name. Okay, there is no crown on my name, but you can see this gold me. The crown seat is on the left side. You see. Okay, I'm looking for a room that is not much people, so that I will show you exactly how this thing look like. Okay, because I know that some people might still not understand. Okay, this place, people are already through this place. Okay, you can see that the same thing. So what you need to keep on looking for a room. Keep on looking for a room that you will join. Okay, now let me just click here. Okay, now I have seen what I am looking for. Now if you come over this room, you're going to see this crown. You see this crown now. I'm going to be sitting here to show you the difference. This is crowned. If you sit here, your 3K tax is going to count. As you can see, I just enter now and my name appeared. You can see that crown is on my name. And when I enter the other one, you will see that there is no crown on my name. So no crown. But if you enter on the crown seat, you are going to be noticing crown on your name. Okay, it's very, very visible. Anyone can see that this is actually very visible. And not everywhere that you will sit and your tax will count. Many people are having this problem since when they deleted this app, they haven't performed the 3K task because of this. Okay, because they don't know the one they will sit into. Even though they will sit on the normal seat. At the end of the day, they will receive the tax. They will not going to be receiving that 3K coins. Okay, I just want to make this video short. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.